Good day everybody and welcome back to another PHPRunner tips and tricks tutorial. Today we are going to build a server-side AI proxy REST API. This API will handle requests from your client applications, proxy them to engines like OpenAI or Claude, and return the responses. Once the request passes our checks, we send it to the AI engine. But we cannot just echo the text back. Every request must be stored as a single record in your chats table. We grab the new database ID using last ID and return this back to the user as a chat ID using my JSON encode, so the application can track the conversation. When the AI finishes processing, we use the Update Database API to save the final response text into that exact record. Finally, we must handle conversational context. Unlike interactive web chats, the REST API has no memory of previous questions. So, when a user asks a follow-up question, they must send their previous chat ID. We use prepareSQL to securely retrieve the past conversation from the database. Then, we concatenate the previous prompt, the previous response, and the new question together. We send this combined text to the AI, ensuring it has the exact context needed to give a perfect answer. And that's it. Remember, Dev Club members can download this tutorial, including the full webinar, from the Dev Club members area. YouTube channel members can download the project topics discussed in this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share it with others, and turn on notifications so you'll be notified when I upload my next tutorial. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.